So what are we doing today? Well, today I'm experimenting with baking in a open fire. So it's a kind of three-pronged experiment. I'm testing my custom-made Rockin' Barbie lid lifter. I'm using a Dutch oven for the first time, and I'm baking a bread that I've never baked before. I'm using sage from my garden, and kind of curious how well this works. So let's check out how it's going. Well, it looks like it's baking it. I'm getting a nice crust. Parchment paper's a little burnt, but this is my first attempt, so I'm pretty happy with that. So far it looks like it's going pretty good. And I just want to add, don't stop experimenting on things. It's the only way you get to be creative and learn new things and gain new skills. If you fail, well, that's just one thing not to do. That's what we're doing today.